If you want to adjust permissions on Redmi A7 Pro, first we need to open Settings. Here in Settings, you want to scroll down and find Privacy Protection. Now over here in Privacy Protection, you can find a couple of sensitive permissions that you want to manage, that you can manage. And you can also tap on all permissions in order to open the full list of different permissions. You can select the permission, and then you have the list of apps that of course can access the permission. And you can tap on any of these apps in order to decide if the app should have access to the selected permission or not. You can also go to the list of apps instead. So if you go back to settings, you can go to apps over here. And then from this list, you can just choose whichever app you want, for whichever app you want to manage permissions. Let's say I'm gonna choose this one. Then over here we have app permissions, and then there we go, we can manage permissions for this specific app as well. Leave a like and subscribe.